Do you want to stay fit without going to the gym? Or learn how to eat healthy for life? Or to make healthier food choices that manage and possibly reverse diseases? I have some good news for you. Possible, earlier called True Weight, has launched a free 7 days challenge. It's a challenge for you to learn about nutrition, diet tips, and healthy lifestyle habits. I took the challenge myself and discovered secrets like number one, the biggest mistake 95% of dieters make. 2. Why I should never count calories. Number 3. How to get 80% results with just 20% efforts. Awesome, right? Like me, complete the 7 days possible challenge and trust me that these 7 days will change your life forever. It's a fun learning experience that is rewarding too. For completing the challenge, you stand a chance to win an iPhone too. The things you will learn will help you, not just you, but your entire family as well. Come, join me in the challenge and make good health possible.